Hello and welcome to our tutorial on Angular's ngIf directive with an else block. In this example, we're implementing a conditional display of buttons based on the user's login status. First, take a look at this line of code. We have a button that users can click to log out, but we only want to show this button if the user is already logged in. This part right here is the ngIf directive. It's checking a Boolean condition, is logged in. If is logged in evaluates to true, meaning the user is logged in, Angular will render this logout button into the DOM. Now, pay attention to the else statement here. Instead of simply not displaying anything when the condition is false, we've provided an alternative template to be displayed. The word else is followed by a template reference variable login button, which Angular will look for in our template. And here is the referenced else block. It's an ing template with a reference variable login button, creating a linkage with our else statement from before. Inside this ing template, we define what should be displayed if our condition is false. In this case, a login button is presented for users who are not logged in. To summarize, this code provides a neat and concise way to toggle between displaying a logout and a login button based on the user's login status. We've just used Angular's powerful structural directive ngIf, in conjunction with an else condition, to control the flow of our application's interface. That's the power of Angular templates at work. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!